Hi, this video is intended for golf course operators who are participating in the My Golf Fix program. This is Mike Dickoff. I've worked with Jeff Grossman as part of the team that built the My Golf Fix site and app for golfers to access. And we've got two videos here. This is video one of two. This one is intended to show you what the app looks like from the golfer viewpoint. And that'll help as context for video number two, where we show you how to control the information about your course that's going to appear for golfers on My Golf Fix. We're currently looking at the mygolffix.net web app, and this is a responsive website. So this is what it looks like if I'm sitting here on my desktop computer. If I were on my phone, it would look like this. So it'll adjust to the size of the screen. And when a user arrives here, they aren't necessarily logged in yet, but they can see courses that are participating in the program. The only courses that appear here are those that are participating in the My Golf Fix program and that have at least one active offer in the system. Users can also look by type. Every offer is categorized into a type: buy one, get one, driving range, early bird, senior rates, etc., twilight rates. And then there's also a category called alerts that will cover where you can, if you have something that's an urgent or maybe day of type of a situation, you can put an alert on the system and make it easier for people to find those. But probably the most common view is by course. If I'm looking by course, I do have the opportunity as a user to look for a specific course. I typed in Troy and up pops Troy Burn. Or if I type in Pebble, there's Pebble Creek. Let's see, if I type in Stone, I'll probably, only one Stone, but there may be multiple courses that fit a particular, if I just type in the word golf, all these courses have golf in their name. I can also search by location. So if I put in my zip code of 55345, it will resequence the tiles by distance from my zip code. The initial sequencing was alphabetical by the golf course name. So those are opportunities the golfer has to search for specific things they might be looking for. Within each tile are contain offers. So in this case, Baker National has 2 offers available. Cannon Golf Club has 7, etc. Let's take a look at the Crystal Lake tile, which has 7 offers available. And now when I go there, as you can see, it's asking me to log in. I can only view the data if I've told My Golf Fix who I am with an email and a first name, last name, and a zip code. So in this case, I'm going to actually log in under one of my many pseudonyms, and once I've done that, now I can view the offers. So I had pressed the Crystal Lake tile. Up come a list of Crystal Lake offers in various categories. We've got some driving range offers. We've got some junior rates, or a junior rate, a special My Golf Fix offer. And let's see, I'm a senior. I'm over 60, so I'm kind of interested in the senior rate. And I can see here the price of $42, and then the 54 is crossed off in lighter text because the regular price is 54, so it's a $12 savings. If I go to look at the details of that, I can see some additional info. This is valid all year long. It's an 18-hole walk or ride, walk for 26, ride for 42. 9 holes is 19 and 31, walk and ride. 9-hole rates are valid anytime. And maybe I like that offer and I want to remember it. Rather than having to wind my way back here, I can save this fix, and now it's in my pile of my fixes. So if I come back to the site at some point, I say my fixes, it's just going to show me the specific offers that I saved. You can see here I've saved a couple of senior offers that I thought were particularly attractive. So the navigation for the user is fairly simple. We've tried to keep it simple. There certainly are some bells and whistles we could add. We do have a little additional information on each course. So for example, if I was looking at opportunities for Baker National, I can go and look for more information. In this case, it gives me the address, the location, and it also gives me a link to the website and a link to the phone number. So if I want to book my next tee time, I can just pop into one of those places to do that. Or we do have some cases where courses that have that are participating in the Group Looper booking program, we can actually book directly from the MyGolfFix site. So if I click on my Group Looper booking, I would normally be able to book. Now we're sitting here in the middle of February, and Pebble Creek doesn't have their tee sheet open for good and valid reasons. But if we were in May or June or July, available tee times would come up, and I'd be able to just book very quickly and easily directly from the MyGolfFix site. That is kind of how the app looks from the golfer standpoint, and video 2 will show you how you can control the content of the site relative to your golf course.